What's up, guys? Venom Boys Garage. I'm Danny. We're back at the shop today. On a Sunday, we're going to do a little painting. We're going to turn her black. I got to mix up some paint. I got everything wiped down. Let's jump into it. Oh, yeah. First things first, guys, you always want to get your pattern straightened out. Let's see what we're spraying with. Looks good to me. Let's jump into it. Oh yeah. Got to try to tuck the goatee in here so we don't get black paint all in it. Oh. Alright guys, got the first coat down, like the tack coat. We're gonna come across now, we're gonna come in heavy. We're gonna come in heavy. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Woo-wee! Good ski, I do this, looking good. Alright, we're gonna let this flash for a minute and take me a break. Give me some mellow yellow, and we'll bring y'all back.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just double up. Don't be
Alright guys, this last one, we're gonna We'll put a little clear into the single stage, give her a little more pop. It's already shiny, but I want it more shiny. I want it more shinier than that right there, cause yeah, that looks good, but you wait till we put that clear in it. Yeah. All right, guys, let's ride. Guys, it is done. It is 2 coats of single stage black, and then the last coat I done half and half single stage with clear mixed in it. Give it more of a little pop, you know. Good skeet, I do. That's pretty. Look. Hey, how y'all doing? Blah blah blah. Yeah, but like I say, it's not showroom quality by any means. You know, I'm painting in a barn, but it is great for a 2000 Jeep Cherokee with 300,000 miles going to a 16-year-old who's just getting their driver's license. Their grandfather's giving it to him. He wanted a small budget. He just wanted it black, all blacked out, get all the scratches and dents and everything out. So that's what we did. But it looks good to me. Shoot me a comment what you think. We're going to jump back on the Nova after this one. We'll have to see how things are going. All right, guys, subscribe, follow me. Follow me on Facebook, Venom Boys Garage. Send me a friend request. Shoot me a message. I'll talk shit with you. But, like I said, subscribe. Check out my shorts. I done a little shorts in here. I can add a little bit different music to the shorts than I can to this. So, check them out. All right, guys. Have a good one. Venom Boys Garage. Oh, yeah. I bet it ain't got no gas in it.